My name is Shamsul Haq, and I am presenting a brief summary regarding my digital assignment 2 of computer architecture, organization and architecture. And my registration number is 18BC0284, and I'm from C1 slot, and my serial number is 20. And the faculty in charge is Professor Dhanbal R. So he told us to make a few video regarding our digital assignments, uh, like a few basic, if a little summary. So here I'm starting with my first question. Explain how the selected paper related to the COA. The paper I have selected here is the efficient cell sizing of the single precision floating point arithmetic logic unit. Uh, Here's the explanation. The selected paper is based on the efficient cell sizing of the single precision floating point ALU for DSP applications. It is very much related to our COS syllabus. The ALU are the major working blocks in the digital technology, and can be used in various real-time applications like communication and data secrecy. Floating point ALUs are badly advantageous in filter designing and other various digital processing applications. The standardized IEEE 754 protocol techniques are used in the analysis of the single precision and double precision operation containing a sign bit and component and a binary mantissa. Here is the further information regarding this question. And this DA majorly contains block diagrams. So here is draw the existing architecture discussed in the paper. Here is the architecture discussed in the regarding paper. This is the block diagram. Have a look. The floating point ALU architecture should perform the arithmetic operations, and some of the universal logic operations are shown in this figure. And here are the third question is to draw the tabulated results and the graphs of the in the selected paper. And here are the simulation results of the adder. Have a look. And the results of the subtractor, and the simulation result of the multiplier. These are the basic operations done by the ALU. And here we are at the fourth question. Draw the proposed architecture discussed in the paper. And for this, for in every DA, Sir told us to present draw a diagram and record it. So it consumes a lot of times. So I already made the block diagram in the Chrome website. So I'll just show it to you guys. Here, have a look. This is the block diagram of the regarding question. And I have used the draw.io tool from the Chrome. So previously, while making the DA, so I got to know it about this free tool recently. So now I'm using this and drawing the block diagrams. So this is a proof that I have done this DA on my own. We are moving further, and this is another major diagram. This is the major architecture of the other magic logic unit we have selected. Uh, we are here moving on to the fifth question. Draw the transistor level internal diagrams. Here is the block diagram. It's a little complex, so it took a lot of time while doing this. So I am not going to draw it again. So I'm just showing it here. Have a look. Now we are moving on to our sixth question. Compare the proposed architecture and the existing architecture in your reference books. Yeah. Now we are comparing the architectures from our syllabus and the architecture proposed in our paper. Comparing both architectures, the newer one is much compact and power efficient. The older one is size and time consuming, which makes a process slower. External electronic equipment via its outputs assumption of the power analysis can be done by analyzing the reduction in the parameters of the area constraints. The simulation result of the floating point multiplier design is done by Kasturba algorithm, where the simulated results is shown in the radix unsigned point multiplier design is done by the Kasturba algorithm, where the simulated results is shown in the radix unsigned decimal form. Elaborated design of the multiplier is simulated in the Vivado 2018. It's a software used to simulate the multiplier algorithm. And here are the power and area and power comparison of the adder to the previous design and the proposed design. Have a look. This is for the comparison of adder, and this is the comparison of the multiplier of the previous design and the proposed design. Just take a look. Now we are moving further, and this is the area and power consumption of the divider for the proposed and the previous versions. Moving on, we are the seventh question. List the advantages of the proposed design over the existing design. From the paper, it is evident that the ALU module in various computer architectural components like the CPUs and the MPs, IMIPS processors can be designed in a more efficient way by reducing the utilization and increasing the area efficiency. The ALU blocks plays a crucial role in signal transmission and receiving the DSP application, which will help in maintaining the secrecy of the data by encryption and decryption. Now we are moving on to the eighth question. List the merits and demerits of the proposed and existing techniques for the hardware. The merits are the speed and accuracy of the calculation is very high, and the required area is small and power consumption is very low. And the demerits are there are no major demerits in the proposed theory. The paper is purely based on improving the performance of the previous generations CPUs and MIPS processors. So since ALU module is used in various computer architectural components like CPUs and MIPS processors can be designed in more efficient way by reducing the utilization and increasing the area efficiency. Yeah, moving further. List the Here we are ninth question. List the application of the proposed design. The technological advancement in satellite communication and signal processing technology, high frequency of the operation with low noise margin is required. So the technological advancement has resulted in the introduction of the digital technology, where digital processing units had created more impact. And here is the details of the regarding question. We are moving further. We are on our final question here. Draw the flowchart or the algorithm or the transistor level circuit proposed in the design. Here are there are three algorithms in total, and a algorithm combined for both adder and subtractor. Sorry, the diagram is a little blurry, so just have a look. I'll zoom it in a little. Yeah, this is the algorithm for adder and subtractor, and this is the algorithm for multiplier. Sorry, yeah, algorithm for the multiplier, and this is the algorithm for the divider. These algorithms play a major role in the ALU. So these are all the questions given in our DA in the DA, and